Let's get to chip stocks this morning because they are leading gains after strong results from TSMC, of course, the biggest manufacturer of all of those chips that power so much of the compute for AI. Christina Partsinevelos is here. She's got some takeaways for us. Good morning.
Good morning. Taiwan Semi, TSMC, just gave AI bulls exactly what they needed. When asked point blank on the earnings call whether we're in an AI bubble, management said demand is, quote, genuine. Cloud providers are seeing strong financial returns and growth continues. So a very strong sign there. This is, like David said, the largest chip manufacturer in the world, the bellwether for the entire industry. And they just surpassed $100 billion in annual revenue for the first time. Margins are intact. Long-term margins are improving. Management said the next 3 years of CapEx, capital expenditures, will be significantly higher than the last 3 years combined, roughly $100 billion. In other words, this AI cycle is nowhere near over. When TSMC spends, chip equipment makers like Teradyne onto innovation, which we don't bring up often enough, ASML really reap the benefits. ASML, for example, you can see up over 5%. It hit a $500 billion market cap for the first time today on this report. TSMC is also completely sold out for fiscal 2026 with customer engagement timelines extending 2 to 3 years in advance. That implies strong ongoing demand from NVIDIA, AMD, Broadcom. Even smartphone sales held up, which strengthens Apple's narrative, at least for the first quarter of this year. No wonder the Street is relatively bullish. Wedbush says, quote, any competitive risk is seemingly still years away. JP Morgan says this AI cycle just keeps chugging along. And those are just two brief examples. Everyone's quite positive on this report. And obviously, we're seeing the ripple effect across the supply chain.
Yeah, well, we're seeing NVIDIA shares up. And AMD actually up sharply, over 6%.
AMD is a big customer.
A big customer of theirs as well. And it wasn't just this year. Obviously, the CapEx continues to ramp higher than many of the analysts had anticipated.
Precisely, especially over the next 3 years. I think that was a big driver, which shows that they have a view into the future. And if they're able to increase CapEx over the next 3 years, that's signaling that demand for them will go even beyond 3 years, right? Because if you're buying equipment from ASML, an extremely expensive equipment maker, over $1 million, you need to build it, you need to put it in place. So most often the production from those equipments won't come until 2028, won't come online. So if they're saying they're spending on equipment, land, labor over the next 3 years, they're still going to reap the benefits of that equipment well beyond that point, which is a very bullish sign. And the run-up, too, in the stock prices have been incredible. So obviously, maybe you're wondering why isn't the stock up even more? If you look at some of the equipment names, they've been ASML up 25% just this year alone. So there has been some demand in this sector for sure.
Yeah.
They're spending a lot of it in the U.S., right? They're building 3 plants.
Yeah, which is great for Arizona. That was a big thing on the call, too, that they're speeding up production, and they're working on providing the more advanced manufacturing processes here in the U.S. Not the most advanced in the world, because that would be, in Taiwan, but it bodes really well for manufacturing capabilities and building advanced chips here.
Any hope that Intel could ever compete with them?
They were asked that directly on the call. They were asked that, and I think verbatim. I actually had the quote on my screen, and it's black now. But they said that they're a well-funded company, but the answer was no in terms of competition. Which I love when you get really great answers, straightforward answers. So. Right. I don't know. Maybe we can bring up Intel's share price to see if anybody really caught on to that one comment on the earnings call. But
it was pretty mild pre-market, but it's already up 30% since the beginning of the year.
Yeah, but that's a Trump put, right? Correct. So, and you can also say the CPU shortage, which I highlighted.
They'll benefit from.
Yeah, yeah. It's not all about GPUs. There are other parts of the AI build-out that are important too, even the old stuff. Old stuff meaning traditional CPUs.
Your beat's on fire. It's just amazing every day. Thank you, KP.
Thank you.
Christina Partsinevelos.